Okay, here Ilona is preparing ceviche from fish. This is fish, white fish, but you can use any kind of fish. You can use shrimp, you can add any seafood to it, and you can also make this from chicken, any kind of white meat. So she is cutting it in small cubes. Okay, since fish was cut, now Ilona is cutting peppers. Now she's using all color peppers she can get, so yellow, red, green, and cutting it in strips. After that, here you can see seasoned peppers, also variety of colors. Now they are usually sweet. Occasionally you can find a hot one in there. And there is a little bit of onion. Onions are being used a lot in this dish, but since we know that onion is not really health food, we just put tiny bit, finely cut for a taste. Original recipe calls also for a lot of garlic, but since we know garlic is really toxic, we don't use it, and you will see ceviche does not miss it. To add some spice to it, we don't have jalapeno peppers, so we are using these marinated hot peppers. Now you will notice that Ilona is cutting the seasoned peppers very, very fine to get more flavor out of it as possible. But before she does it, she gets all the seeds out. Remember, seeds are not good to chew because they will release the proteins which will inflame your intestines and lower the absorption. So you always do it with all kinds of seeds. Okay, now here big seeds that we can eat, of course you just peel the brown skin from them and they are fine. Remember, same to do with hot peppers. Okay, and now Ilona is going to add coriander. Original recipe from Peru requires parsley, but Ilona likes this better. I enjoy it as well. Now the trick here is, as you can see, she is separating the leaves by hand, and usually the stem we throw away. Well, she takes a little bit of stem and she will cut it very, very fine and put it in, because this really adds to the flavor. Okay, now you can see Ilona chopping finely the stem of coriander. Again, remember, you need a sharp knives, and the best knife to use is really ceramic knife, especially when you cut vegetables, because it does not destroy the vitamins. Everything stays nice and fresh. Okay, Ilona is adding a touch of black pepper. It's to the taste. I prefer multicolor peppers. And the sea salt. Sea salt again to taste. Remember, if you like it salty, just make it salty. Only make sure you drink enough water so your kidneys can eliminate surplus. And this will actually hydrate you properly. The more salt, the merrier. Forget about all those lies about salt.
The final touch.
Okay, and a final touch we have from 7 lemons. We have juice that we are pouring in and mixing it with the ceviche. And now we are going to leave it in refrigeration for about 4 hours, and it's ready to eat. Otherwise, don't worry, you can leave it in refrigerator for next day. It will last 3-4 days. It actually gets better in day or two because more flavors mix. Enjoy. Okay, final touch. We are serving it with touch of olive oil. Voila! Bon appétit!